Okay guys, let's fix the Valorant TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot issue. So first you need to go to start menu like this. Then after tap on power icon, tap on restart. During the boot mode, you have to press the BIOS key. It depends on your computer version. So if it is most probably delete key F2, F12 or F10. So once you press that one, you will be able to come to the BIOS section. In the BIOS setting, you have to navigate to boot or security or authentication tab. It depends on your motherboard version. You can find secure boot option, and then after you need to set it as enabled. If secure boot is gray color, so you have to disable the first you have to disable CSM compatibility support module or legacy mode. After disable that one, you can able to find the secure boot option is visible. You have to enable that one. Then after again go to security or advanced tab, find TPM setting. It we named as TPM or PTT or in the Intel system or TPM on AMD computers. So then after you have to enable the TPM 2.0 version. Once it is enabled, you can save the changes by pressing F10 and restart your computer. To verify the TPM 2.0 on your computer, just go to search bar, type run, tap on the application. In this one you need to type tpm.msc like this, tap on OK. If you successfully enable that one, you can find TPM version in here and TPM ready option also there. In my case it is not supported, so that's why it is not it says not found. To find the secure boot option enabled or not, go to setting, find icon again, type system information like this. So scroll down a little bit and you can see secure boot state option. It should be turned on. Now it is turned off. You have to turn it on. And another thing you need to remember, in the BIOS mode should be UEFI. If it is says MBR or legacy boot, you have to change it to UEFI. To change the BIOS mode, you have to reinstall the Windows. And also, if your computer motherboard is not supported TPM version, either you have to change your motherboard or you have to upgrade your BIOS, or you can revert your Windows 11 into Windows 10, because Windows 10 it is no need TPM version, but Windows 11 you should have TPM 2.0 version to run the Valorant. So remember those things, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.